Hey guys, this is Preston Perfect, and don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below if you're new to this channel. And this is the second half of the track where they had Jump the Frisbee. I gave a shout out, so we're doing this today. Hope you like it.
Girls, I'm sorry, I'm not a pervert.
Okay, so here it is. Okay, here it goes. Hey, and this is so-so. Here, okay, you're gonna get these two right here, Batman and Nightmare. Nightmare, put him in the right down here. He's the first so far. I'm sorry about my hand, it just keeps getting in the way. Go. Woo! The pirate won. Ooh, bussin'. Oh, this is gonna be a good race, guys. Wait. Let me show you. It's gonna be a good race. This right here is the champion. This is like third or second. Let me go down here. Oh! Look at that wheel. Yeah.
I bet you all of them gonna make it now.
Hey guys, when we get halfway, I'm going whoever is voting on who do you think is going to win out of these, I'll give you $1. Yeah, I'll give you my merch. When it comes out, I don't think it will though, cause
the twins are battling.
it's struggling. I'm struggling right now, guys. Get this race back.
Twins!
Yeah, twins!
Oh!
Twins! Iron Man and Iron Man!
Iron Woman and Iron Man.
Yeah.
Iron Man won.
He's out. Sorry, dude.
Another twin! Oh! They're just coming out of the
Just to let y'all know, there's going to be a third part of this. We're just going to go halfway.
And there's gonna be a car.
Yeah, there's going to be a car one. Which, you seen the first car one where they jumped the Frisbee, but yeah. But, yeah. Get it back. Come on.
Let's check out
And I want you to find me on Instagram, and I want you to follow me, and I'll follow you back. So, and Facebook. So go ahead and do that.
Brother from another mother.
Brother from another mother, Monster Mutt Scooby. Go. Scooby.
That's impossible. Alright, we're gonna start you. Hey, I'm ready to get this one. Alright, I got enough parts. Come on, yeah. Alright. We got Sharky.
Yeah, let her do it. Let her do it.
Right.
Yeah, that's a good one right there.
Sharky and Ram. I mean, Dino and Ram. We need to Ram out of cut.
No, Ram made it.
But
It's,
Dino
I'm sorry. He just can't. Your favorite loss.
I will.
I'm
They
the winner
will.
so far. These are the losers. Team Hot Hot Wheel. Let's do this, Claire.
3,
Go. 2. Team Hot Wheels.
I got it. My dude went right there, so. Alright. He got it.
Okay, that's it for the day.